Today we'll talk about how can you add if you are partner on your work setup. So all you have to do, so you just go above photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on user data here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you just keep going down. Then you come here to about the user here. Then you click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list and here. So just click here on are your partner and click in this sign. If you are yes, add here yes or no, add here no. So when you're down, just click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.